Today we got a video from Bodycam Tube, and the title of the video is Jealous Boyfriend Loses It When He Finds Out She Cheated.
On October 6th, 2023, officers were dispatched in response to a reported domestic disturbance.
What's going on?
He's drunk and mad and taking it out on me, yelling at me.
Is anybody else in there besides him?
No.
Hey, doorbell police. Doorbell police, open the door.
Come over here.
It's fine.
Come here. I'm not going to ask you again.
The young lady right there.
What is his name? What is his name? What part of that you do not understand? What is his name?
I just told you. Do you mind? My is right there.
I'm flashing the other officer. I'm not flashing you.
It's okay.
Hey, Eric, open the door.
You said Eric or Eddie? Yo, Eddie, open the door. We didn't say you were guilty.
Can you guys just leave?
No. Seriously? Seriously? Y'all doing all this and you want us to leave? Go over there, because now you're getting on my nerves. Please, bye.
Man, put over there. Walk all the way to the other.
It's the bed.
Okay, well, walk with her down there, please.
Come on.
Hey, man, I'm going to talk to you. Come on.
We didn't say you did anything wrong, man. Open the door.
Ask her, talk to her, ask her if you guys any type of physical aggression, see if you see any marks on her.
Are you the one in the room with?
Man, go that way.
What's going on?
He's mad about something, and he thinks that I a bunch of people and cheated on him, and this, that, and the third, and he's upset. And
Did you though? Did you? That's what we waiting on.
So what happened? Tell me what happened.
we were arguing. He started throwing my stuff out.
Open the door. Hey, ask her if there's any weapons, any knives, or anything like that in the room. Has he ever been like that before? What for?
I'm listening.
I really don't want nothing to happen to him. I just
You got small, excuse me. It is what it is. Your life is more important to you.
That's right.
You talk to someone that has been through a whole domestic case here at this same place.
So when he started throwing stuff, then what?
It just kept escalating and he kept yelling and he broke my phone.
Get a warrant! Get a warrant for what? We just want to. You heard me. Get a warrant. We just want to talk to you.
Nah, I ain't trying to talk. You know, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't trying to talk. I ain't trying to conversate. I ain't trying to.
So did he hit you tonight?
Yeah.
Be honest.
He pushed me.
He didn't hit you in the face right there on the side of the face. Because it looks swollen.
She wouldn't say the truth if it did happen. She protecting this dude. She don't want nothing to happen. You know, can y'all leave? Yada yada. I don't know who called, but like the officer said, y'all doing too much. Or you doing too much, man? Get away from me. Just go on, man. Because you starting to get on my nerves, man. Exactly. Even if he did do it, which he probably did, she ain't gonna admit it.
Where?
Right here.
That's probably for me crying. He didn't hit me.
When he was throwing the stuff, it didn't hit you? No. Look at. Sorry, I'm trying not to. I know it's hard. You got a mark on your chin. What's that from?
Where?
Right there.
I have eczema.
Okay.
I would tell you if he hit me. He didn't physically hit me. He just was throwing stuff.
I got eczema too.
I don't want to give it up. I think she has one.
Do you have a key to the room?
I don't.
You want to go to the office, see if you can get one?
Yeah.
She says she doesn't have a key to the room.
Yeah.
She said he didn't hit her. He did break her phone.
So there's no actual physical, just
But it's still.
to the degree, because he was there when they were arguing.
And he was throwing
And he's throwing stuff. I might go get another battery. Hey, buddy, open the door, man. hands. Get on the
Ooh,
ground.
he boomed the crib.
Get on the ground. Put your hands on top
You're
of your
cooked.
head now.
Put your hands on your
On
head.
top of your head, dude. Put your hands on top of your head. You're not going to sprint up. All right? Look at me. There's 3 of us, 4 of us, 1 of you. You understand? Huh? Put your hands on top of your head. Cross your feet now. Cross your feet. I'm not going to ask you again, dude. Dude, you move, you're going to get it, man.
Do you agree with Congressman McHenry's decision the week to let tensions settle?
Jake, I'll be really candid. I think if we had stayed together...
Roll up your knees. There we go. All right.
Now, what I want to know is what's wrong with these guys, man? You had all that time. You know you going to jail. Regardless, you know you going to jail. You didn't get ready, put a shirt on or nothing? Nothing? It be cold down there.
What's going on in this country today? What's going on in this body? And all of a sudden, my phone keeps sending text messages.
What happened to your leg, dude? How come you got a gash on it? Huh? What happened to your leg? Oh. Wide open?
That's all right. I ain't in pain. I'm good.
Turn around. When did that happen?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Yeah.
When did that happen?
It happened a while ago.
Hey, what your shoes at?
They right there. The green one's right there.
What happened, man?
Me and her got into it.
Yeah?
We did argue.
Arguing? Were the present there in the room? Yeah, both of the
Yeah.
We got yelling and screaming about it?
Yeah, we was arguing.
Yeah.
I didn't put my hands on her.
What you did? Tell me what you did.
I didn't put my hands on her.
Okay, who threw all this stuff out?
I don't know.
Just be honest with me.
I don't know. She got this stuff. I don't know.
Did you broke her phone?
No.
What's your
If I gotta go to jail, man, I gotta go to jail, man. I ain't do nothing, man.
How long you know her for?
4 years.
How many years?
4 years.
Are you the dad of those babies?
No, but I am.
So you take care of them? Is that how long you been living with her?
I know.
Oh, my boy playing the stepdaddy role. He said, nah, but you know, I am. Damn, cause them babies look fresh out, man. They look fresh out, boy.
Been drinking tonight?
I've been drinking a little bit.
Yeah.
What kind of alcohol you been drinking?
Some four locos. I ain't been drinking nothing else. I ain't on no other drug.
Okay, all right, man. Put your shoes on, dude. You going to jail?
Okay, I'll take it.
I'll let you know what you're going to jail for. Most likely for cruelty to the 3rd degree.
Nah, man, I ain't this.
You were yelling in front of
I haven't touched
You were yelling in front of the
So she was arguing in front of
So if you would have been more receptive to talk to us when we first got here, maybe things would be a little different. You understand what I'm saying?
I made sure I didn't touch her. Oh my God. All we was doing was arguing.
Just arguing?
I did not put my hands on her.
Do we got his ID already?
I ain't gonna lie, it's in my pants.
Where's your pants at, man?
Can you get them for me?
Like blue jeans?
Yeah.
That's the bed on the other side. Why are you crying, man?
Because I care about him and I didn't want to call.
You should care. Let me tell you something.
I just said I have my so
You should care more for you. You understand?
I do. That's why I didn't want to.
You shouldn't even be putting you in this situation, but that's up to you. You're a grown woman and you're an adult and you got 2.
I need to split.
Okay? So, again, 2 counts of cruelty to 3rd degree, domestic damage to property, unless you don't want to make a charge on the cell phone, but we'll make a charge on it. Okay? Any other questions? No? Have a good night, man. Hey, man, you got a pair of shoes, sandals that you can... Because you're going to need some shoes, my man.
They can
That's
get some
what I'm
sandals
saying.
in the jail if you can't find them.
You don't know what your other shoes is?
Nah, because I got to walk out of there.
Oh, because you threw everything outside, man. You didn't even know where your stuff went to. Come on, warrior. What you got in your pocket?
I got my wallet. No, I'm just making sure I got my wallet.
Okay.
Come on now.
Come on.
I don't care about drugs. I drink.
You. He was born in 1999. This way, man. This way.
Nah, they should hold on to him while he's going down the stairs, because if he falls, being handcuffed, that's a liability on them.
What's your name, bro? Mr. Edwards. This way, buddy. Come here, man. Have a seat right there, dude. Face that way so I can put your seatbelt on, man. Face that way. There we go.
The man was charged with 2 counts of cruelty to children and 1 count of criminal damage to property.
It is what it is. Couples argue, but yeah, you definitely want to try to keep it not in front of the young ones, okay? Yeah, so here we go. Jailhouse accountability scorecard. All right, let's get to it, man. All right. If you don't know, I was a former correction officer. So this is kind of like the part where, like, you know, it just adds a little ring to it. You know, we gonna break it down. You feel me? Okay. So anyway, the closer you are, we're gonna score it out of 10. The closer to 0 you are, 0 equals handled it perfectly, and 10 equals generational crash out. So the closer you are to 0, the better you did. The closer you are to 10, the worse you did for each category. Okay, so we got 6 categories: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety, risk, and wasted chances. All right, so compliance, we're giving a 8 out of 10. Okay, 8 out of 10 right off the rip. He refused to open the door, refused to talk, and made officers force the situation instead of stepping out calmly. Okay, they had to boom the crib. They had to force their way in. You know what I mean? So he definitely did not comply. Attitude, 7 out of 10. Telling police get a warrant during a domestic call with young ones involved was not the move. All right, so that's 7 out of 10. Self-control, the argument, yelling, drinking, throwing things, and broken phone all showed he let the situation get out of control. Okay, he could not control himself. So we're also going to give a 7 out of 10 for that. Truthfulness, another 7 out of 10, man. He admitted to arguing but denied throwing the stuff and breaking the phone, even though the scene and victim's statement pointed the other way. All right, so we're going to give a 7 out of 10 for that. Safety risk, 6 out of 10. All right. He didn't appear to attack the officers, but being intoxicated, locked inside and involved in a domestic with young ones present, raised the risk fast. Okay, so 6 out of 10 for that. You know, like I said, yeah, he, you know, definitely a safety risk, but more so before they got there than when they actually got there. There was a little standoff or whatever the case may be, but they boomed the crib, and he didn't have any weapons or anything like that on him. So once they boomed the crib, everything was pretty smooth. So definitely 6 out of 10 for that from me. Wasted chances. Okay, 8 out of 10. Of course, officers gave him multiple chances to open the door and explain himself before they kicked it in. He did not want to come out at all. Okay, you wasted all your chances. So final jail score 43 out of 60. Converted score 7.2 out of 10. Okay, the way you get a converted score is you take 43 divided by 60 times 10. You're gonna get 7.1. We round 7.16. You're gonna round it up to 7.2. All right. That's my score. Let me know in the comment section below what is your score, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.